Táimid John Brodúil ar fad an Gaeilge úsáid in St King's Head. We're using it in several different ways. You know, it's on our signage, our external signage. We use it on our menus are bilingual. We use it whenever and wherever we can.
Oh, Sean Pinta.
Oh, Carvaga, Sanchez.
On Tatamas.
Our customers love it. You know, Irish customers love to see their own language in use, in daily use. And I suppose foreign visitors, it gives it, you know, makes the experience a bit more memorable. Having Bulashteach on the back of the staff t-shirts and the t-shirts that we sell is a great talking point. You know, the visitors invariably ask, before I buy this t-shirt, does it mean kick me or something like that? Or, you know, the King's Head has been here for over 800 years, and I suppose we would hope that it'll be here for another 800 years, and that the use of our native language will be part and parcel of all of that, Le Cunn of Day.